A wonderful day to you all and welcome to Afbrede. We have got an English lesson today, and today we're going to just talk about a little theory of English, and our mind map is about register. Now, register indicates the level of our formal English that we speak to different types of people in our lives. If we look at the first one over there, high formal academic English. That would be very formal English and announcements in an academic way. That would be a doctor-patient relationship or a teacher-student relationship where we will speak high formal academic English. The next one we look at is just formal English. Now, formal English we will speak in that manner when we speak to strangers, people we don't know. Not necessarily academic, high formal, just formal English. Informal English we will use when we are talking amongst friends. We can use slang words, for example, cool or LOL or something like that. Or there are interruptions in between our conversation. That is also informal slang English. I hope you understand a register and the level of our formality in our speech and conversation. May you have a wonderful break, and I'll see you the next Afbrede. Goodbye.